Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, after approximately 24 weeks of construction and remodeling at Masjid Sunnah Chicago, alhamdulillah, the village of Skokie has given us limited occupancy to occupy the space and start utilizing the masjid. Alhamdulillah. As you can see, this is the exterior of the masjid, and this is our neighbor. It's about Maghrib time. You can see the sun setting. This is the across the street. This is the neighborhood we're located in. Alhamdulillah. Let's take a look inside the masjid, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, this is the men's section. As you can see, we have the carpet, lights, all the required tile work installed here. You can see there's a shoe rack. We're still work in progress on this one. This is the fire alarm on the left of the door. All the requirements of the village, smoke detectors, all these things are alhamdulillah installed with minimal work where it was needed. This is both the storefronts here are the men's section, and there's another door here that we could utilize, inshallah. Here's the men's section, alhamdulillah. And the women's section is separated by a curtain that runs from front to back, and we could take a look at the women's section. This is a door for the women's section. There's a shoe rack, it's still a work in progress. And as you can see, we're still working through other things in the masjid. Let's go on this side, take a look. This is the women's section, alhamdulillah. Very similar and exactly the same as the men's section. It's just one storefront versus two. And let's go in the back. Alhamdulillah. The left side is a utility room, the furnace room, and this is the bathroom we have currently. Just a single bathroom for the women section. This is from the back to the front with the curtain. Let's take a look and go back in the men's section. And this is the men's section, alhamdulillah. The bathrooms are ready, alhamdulillah. Just men and women are the same pretty much, ADA compliant. This is the men's bathroom. This is an area for both men and women we have left open, as we need to continue to work in the masjid to build a wudu area, which we do not have yet, alhamdulillah. Inshallah. This is the back. This is the back here. There's a furnace, fire alarm, radio. Alhamdulillah. This is the exterior in the back. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, there's still work ongoing. There's plenty of things that are needed in the masjid. Inshallah, we're working through them. Alhamdulillah. This is the occupancy permit from the village of Skokie. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all those brothers and sisters who donated for the construction and occupancy of this masjid, and all the ones that paid for the purchase of this masjid, the building itself. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from them. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make all these good deeds heavy on their scales of good deeds Yawmul Qiyamah. Jazakumullahu khairan, barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.